You got any ideas yet then?
No.
How about now?
No, look, we're never going to come up with an idea at this rate.
So what do you suggest?
To the internet.
I've got an idea.
Yeah?
Well, how about we...
Hello, I'm James Jefferson, and I'm addicted to... what is it again?
Geocaching.
Rio smashing.
No, it's geocaching.
Geodude?
That's a Pokemon.
What am I doing again?
Hang on. I thought your CV said you were an actor.
No.
Well, that was a terrible suggestion. We can't use this.
What else do you suggest?
Well... Why am I up here? Have you got it yet?
Just a...
I told you to wear a harness.
No, you didn't!
And look where it got you. What? Well, we can always try this.
This is Luke. Luke is a geocacher.
Geocacher, he said.
For those of you who don't know, geocaching is an outdoor recreational game where people must hunt for things called geocaches. Geocaching was discovered by Sir Alfred Geocache in 1947. It was used as a game to find his keys, as he was constantly losing them.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Where are you getting your facts from?
Well, I'm making it up as I go along. This is getting us nowhere and me in A&E.
Hang on a second. I think I've got it.
So, what's the plan?
We get the cache, we put a camera in the cache, and we get people to log their responses using the camcorder, and if we get enough responses, we'll have enough to make a film. Put it together, make a film.
I like your thinking. This plan is flawless.
Okay, now we hide it. Done. Now we play the waiting game. Got it.
Yeah, let's see what we got.
I'm Marvin. You appear to have left your box with the camcorder in the hedge. You need to come recover your camcorder because, you know, might get stolen by birds or something. You know, birds, pesky birds. Okay then, goodbye.
Oh, he bloody left it recording. We've got 2 hours of the corner of the box. Well, what are we going to do now?
Oh, I'm not completely out of ideas yet. We could always try travelling halfway around the world to find a geocache and logging our adventure.
And how are we going to be able to afford that? It's a stupid idea.
How about we make a film trailer of a guy who finds a geocache in space?
I'm sure that's been done before.
We could always film a sketch of 2 people trying to find the first to find.
We did that last year.
Oh well, I'm all out of ideas.
Got it. I've got the perfect idea. This might work. Right, how long have we got until the competition ends?
The competition ended last week. We spent too long brainstorming.
Oh.